Hello, I'm Nat Typen and welcome to the Knockout Kitchen. Here's the challenge. I have no idea what I'm cooking today. It's a mystery. So I'm gonna knock on the Algae Interview fridge and find out. Ooh, looks like we've got some coconut milk, some pandan, and some eggs. I reckon I know exactly what I'm gonna cook. I'm making a Thai pandan steamed cake. First step, let's sift the flour. Next, you're gonna separate the eggs. You're gonna mix the egg whites together with some sugar and also some cream of tartar. Then you have to whisk the egg yolks and the remaining sugar, beat until it's pale. After that, add some coconut milk, some pandan. Pandan is a very typical Asian leaf and it kind of tastes like vanilla essence. Fold together the egg yolk mixture and also the egg white mixture. You want to cover this with foil so any condensation does not drip into your batter. That goes into the Algae oven on steam function at 95 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Whew. Oh, yum. It looks so light. Oof. So traditionally in Thailand, you would just tear this up, dunk it in some tea, eat it with whatever condiment you want.